Hey, today I'm going to show you the Flowforth Planning Center integration. This integration is key to using Flowforth, and it's built on a few core principles. First, Planning Center is the source of truth for people data. We don't want you to have to maintain one list of people in Planning Center and one list of people in Flowforth. Instead, Flowforth treats Planning Center as the single source of truth. Second, you've already done so much work in your Planning Center account to set up your different events with all of their details, their images, and their pages. Flowforth knows that, and we use that information that you've already set up to help you build emails even faster. Now to get started, you just have to go to this integrations page and click Connect to Planning Center. Here you can choose which apps to connect to. We recommend connecting to all of them for the best experience, but you can unselect them as needed. People is required. I'm going to click Connect. Go to this authorization page and click Allow. And now I'm connected to Planning Center. There's a few different ways this connection works within the email builder. First, we have this Import Content from Planning Center button. You can click it, or you can drag it straight into your email. Now I can see registrations, groups, and calendar, and I can import this content right into my email. I'm going to choose these 4 registrations that we want to promote in this email. Then I'll click Quick Import. This is going to bring in all of the content straight from Planning Center into your email. We have the images, the title, the dates and times, the description, and we have a sign-up link already added to your email. This should save you time from having to copy and paste information, hunting down the right link, and finding where that graphic is stored. Now it's just instantly imported. The second way Planning Center integrates into our email builder is with the Planning Center link type. So if I add this button, I can choose Planning Center for the link type. Here I can choose forms, registrations, groups, calendar events, or different church center pages. In this case, I want to bring in a link to our donation form. So I'll click that, click Give, and we're ready to go. The button is already linked. The final advanced feature for the Planning Center integration within the email editor is that you can use custom merge tags from Planning Center. First, you get asked to choose a tab. I'm going to choose General Info. And for the field, I'm going to choose t-shirt size. Next, if someone doesn't have a value, I can choose a fallback. So I'm going to choose Unknown. Add that. This can be really helpful for making sure everyone's information is up to date. Say you have a camp coming up and you're giving t-shirts to everyone. We can take this custom field that has their t-shirt size and double check with them that it's still the correct size. You can just simply say, the t-shirt size we have for you is at t-shirt size. Then when we send this email, Flowforth will go to Planning Center and get the current value for that custom field for each person and put it straight into the email. You can combine this with the Planning Center link types to even quickly link to a form to update your t-shirt size. When you're ready to send the email, you can click To, and on the recipients, you can click this to select different lists within Planning Center or different individuals directly within Planning Center. At the time of send, Flowforth gets the list members from Planning Center. This makes sure that it's always up to date. You don't have to deal with waiting for a sync and hoping that the data is correct. We always make sure we get the most recent list results right when we're sending the email. If multiple people share an email address, we also make sure that we only send the email to that email address one time. Another Planning Center feature we have is this Church Center announcements. So if I click this, I can send a Church Center announcement when I send this email. This will send a notification to everyone on the list with Church Center installed. The notification will have a link to view this email in the browser. But we don't recommend using this for your regular weekly newsletter. This can be really helpful when there's last-minute event detail changes. The next big Planning Center feature within Flowforth is that you can build automations based on list. So I can choose a trigger that when someone is added to a list or removed from a list, it will start this automation. This automation can be made up of wait and email steps. This is really helpful if you want to send some emails welcoming new guests or following up after someone signs up for an event. The last feature I'll show you is how you can restrict permissions for who can send to any Planning Center list. In your account settings, you can set a default to hide all lists from people or to share them all with everybody. But then on a specific list, I can come in and I can set custom permissions, and then I can share it with just the people and teams who need to be able to send to this list. This is really great so that no one can accidentally email the whole church who doesn't have permission to. That's just the tip of the iceberg of the features that the Planning Center integration unlocks for your account. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@flowforth.co and we're happy to help. Happy sending.